Harley owners, today I'm here to show you the easiest way to personalize your bike, the do-it-yourself windshield. Now I'm sure you've seen thousands of videos out there with different windshields and you're wondering, well, how do I pick? Well, let me tell you guys how to pick. Klockwerks carries the easiest do-it-yourself windshield. It's so simple. You go through, grab your handy dandy tool. I always advise hold your hand under it while you're taking the screws out so you don't scratch your paint, because I can't help you with that. Get all those screws out. This is super important. Before we get excited and just hop into throwing on our new windshield, when you take your old one off, you guys want to be sure to remove these little rubber patches and move them onto your new windshield. So now let's take a look. Here I have the orange color flared windshield, super cute, really goes with any bike. Guys, these windshields are not just super easy to install, but they have this cool little feature to them that absolutely blows my mind. If you pay attention to the regular windshields, let's put this one back next to it. If you look at it, it kind of goes straight. So when your windshield's going straight like that, what it does is it basically blows all the wind that's coming at you straight into your eyes. Klockwerks, they got some smart people there. They found a way to help you guys out and ensure that that doesn't happen. And how do they do that? The flare. So what this flare does is it makes sure that the wind goes up and over your head versus straight into your eyes while you're on the freeway. So yes, it's super easy to install. It comes in all the sickest colors, and it's honestly very affordable way to personalize your motorcycle. But all of that aside, it actually keeps the wind out of your face. Let's get this guy put in. All right, we're almost done. I'm so excited to show you guys the different colors. One more. And now, super quick nifty trick. You guys want to make sure that you have all of your screws in before you go about tightening all of them to make sure that it's lined up and you're not stripping anything. So now that I have all my screws evenly in, I'm going to go back through and actually tighten them all down. All right. Look at the insane difference a simple windshield made on this bike. It's no longer a basic, boring bike. It's got style, it's got pizzazz, it's personalized. Now, if orange isn't your forte, that's okay. We got 7 different colors, and not just in the ST. You can have a 24 Road Glide, and you can use this yellow windshield. You can have a 22 Street Glide. It doesn't matter what bike you guys have. They have every color for you. So this one right here is their yellow windshield. Super nice. Next up, we have the green color flare windshield. Super slick, super nice. Just imagine this matching your little accents. Down here, we have our super popular one, the red windshield with the flare. Super nice. Next up, we have our bronze. This one's one of my favorites. It's not dark smoke, it's bronze, but it kind of gives you that dark smoky vibe. Following from that, we have blue. Come on, guys. Look how sick this is. Like, who has something like this? No one but Klockwerks. Super cool blue windshield. Now this one gets me every time. One of my favorites, the purple. Look how nice that looks. Purple! Come on, guys. Tell me this isn't the sickest windshield you've ever seen. And how sick would it be you can match it with any color accents on your bike? So you heard it here, guys. If you have a stock bike and it looks boring and unpersonalized and you're just looking for an easy way, a simple do-it-yourself way to start personalizing and modifying your bike, Klockwerks is the answer for you. And if you order now, you not only get free shipping straight to your door, you also get 5% back in megabucks to use towards your future purchases. So who knows? Have every color of the rainbow to match each day of the week.